if you have given a member 7%, it will show. And we are not dealing with illiterate people. Don't know how to calculate 7% and 4%. So you cannot cheat them. And you want UWASU officials to be part of that manipulation? That one we will not do. I want to tell UWASU members, wherever they are, just work today up to midnight. Work today up to midnight. Midnight, with 1 minute, down your tools.
We must honor the return to work formula. We must honor the recognition agreement that we have. And we are also telling the government that it is time CBS are negotiated in time. When there is delay in negotiation, somebody starts sitting back and saying this figure is too high. If CBS are negotiated and implemented in time, nobody would have a problem, and that's what we are calling for. We cannot be at the end tail of our CBA and we are still being taken round and round in circle.
For the union makes us strong. We